Hello and welcome to my video. We're at Thomson Causeway in Thomson, Illinois, and we're at Potter's Marsh. We've been to Potter's North, Potter's South, now we're going to Hickory Point, sites 99 through 31. And there's Crystal leading the way. Let's go. Hickory Point. Howdy. Hickory Point. Okay, speed bump. Gotta go through the middle or around the left side. I don't know that, I guess we did look at Hickory Point. 99 through 131. Yeah, we'll get the day use last. There's a nice toy hauler. All nice sights. Pavement. Army Corps of Engineer made them. Electric on all of them. I was gonna camp over here, but I couldn't. I can see my camper from here. I think I'd like 115 a lot too. Yeah. Sonova. Okay, so that was Hickory Point. And every single one of them are reserved for tonight. Most of them for the weekend. I found a couple that people weren't coming in until Father's Day. But we're gonna go back to the beginning again. And then we'll go to the day use area. There's a nice bike trail outside of this campground along the Mississippi River. It's a big, long trail. We rode it yesterday for 20-some miles. We're just not going that far today, I don't think. Okay, we're back to the causeway.